Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and it is the weekend. I hope you got something good planned, and whatever you got planned, enjoy, have fun, and be safe. Let's kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today I got a nice watch face by Glance Watchfaces. Now the name of the watch face is called Glance Stylo. I really like this one. Now in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get a black and white thing. You're going to get the same look as if the watch face was on. Not a bad look at all. I like the design. I like the few dollars that it gives, and I like the pattern. It's not a bad look at all. Now you do get info on the days of the week, your months. Over here, you're going to get your step info, and at the top, you're going to get your battery. If I tap right here, I can get a calendar. At the bottom, of course, you know you're going to get your steps, calories burned. Right here, it's going to bring up my weather, which for me is important, especially for right now. You can also get your info for your battery, right? But if I double tap, I can customize the color, and this blue looks awesome. Double tap again, I got white. That's a daytime watch face. This one here looks really nice as well. You get 5 colors in all. Not bad. I thought this was a pretty tight watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I'm really trying to work off a code. Thank you for bearing with me. If you like this video, then please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care. I cannot get rid of this code.